In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide using Google Sheets functions. Now, these functions are quite handy because they make calculations seamless and free us from using traditional operators like plus signs or asterisks. So let's dive into how you can use these functions to perform basic arithmetic in Google Sheets step by step. Let's start off with addition. Adding numbers in Google Sheets using its built-in function is straightforward. In your Google Sheets document, select the cell where you want the result displayed. Then you'll type an equals sign followed by the word ADD. So it looks like this. Equals ADED. After you type ADD, open up a parenthesis. Next, you'll select the first cell that contains the number you want to add. Once selected, type a comma to separate your values. Then, choose the second cell containing the number you wish to add to the first. Finally, close your parenthesis. Hit Enter, and just like that, you've added the values using the ADD function. Moving on to subtraction. This is quite similar. What we can do here is take the same formula from the addition step and make a tiny change. Copy the ADD function you just wrote and paste it into the cell where you want the subtraction result. This time, you'll replace ADD with minus. Again, make sure to have the parenthesis open and commas between your numbers as before. Verify that you've got the correct cell references for the numbers you wish to subtract. Once you have it set up, press Enter, and there you have it. Your numbers are now subtracted using the minus function. Now, let's explore multiplication. The process remains very much alike. You will once again start by typing an equals sign in the cell for your result, followed by the word multiply. Open your parenthesis, select your first number cell, type a comma, then your second number cell, and close your parenthesis. When you hit Enter, Google Sheets will handle the multiplication for you. This approach ensures precision and saves time, especially when dealing with larger data sets. Finally, we have division. As before, type equals in the cell designated for your result. This time, use the divide function. It follows in the same pattern. Type divide. Add your parenthesis. Select the first cell, type a comma, choose the second number cell, and close the parenthesis. When you're ready, press Enter, and your division calculation is complete. And that's it. With these functions, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing numbers in Google Sheets is a breeze. Not only do these functions simplify the arithmetic, but they also make working with large sets of data much more efficient and less prone to manual error. Experiment with these functions, and you'll quickly find how useful they can be in your spreadsheet tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.